So we are here to celebrate the success of trip. तो यहाँ पर I thought why not play a game? Why not play spin the bottle?
Alright.
So are we guys
Because
ready?
we haven't played that enough.
And हमारे actually director का ये favorite game है.
So,
Namik.
Is that a valid spin?
Malika
Okay.
Namik, yeah. Come on.
Yeah. Okay. Start. So that's what whoever.
What?
Oh,
Of course this is
Come on.
okay. So we'll do this. I'm sure audience will not be interested.
Why not?
No, come on,
Hey,
ask a
chalo,
question. Yeah.
we'll do this.
Okay, fair enough.
This is the most boring
You
game
have
so
to
far.
do never
Just
have I
figure
ever
out.
or truth or dare?
Truth or dare?
Truth or dare?
Truth
Come
or
on.
dare? Dare.
Dare.
Oh, I have to give him a dare.
Give him a dare.
No.
Yeah, that's question.
Okay.
That's answer.
She has to give it.
बोलो guys, क्या कर रहा है हम मिला रहे? Oh, I
तो
know.
डायरेक्टर के पास आज कुछ करवाना है.
Truth. I thought it was the other way. Actually, dare.
Okay, you have to do the hood, the bung, that step. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hood, the bung, the bung, hood, the bung, the bung.
Okay, next.
Everyone who stopped watching, thank you. They just switched it off, gone to the next channel already.
Aha.
Alright, so who?
So
how does
let's
this
do
work?
this.
Yeah.
Malika and Namik.
Oh, I have to
Question.
tell him. Truth or dare?
Truth.
Malika's like, अब क्या पूछूं मैं?
इतना सब कुछ है पूछने के लिए.
हाँ, मेरे पास तो बहुत है पूछने के लिए.
Namik, what are the products you put on your hair every morning?
The products I put in my hair are heat protect before I blow dry them, then wax, then another kind of wax, then a hairspray. And that's about
के
it.
बाद तो कुछ
And how long do you take for your hair?
About like 20 minutes. Yeah.
How long do you take?
I take an hour.
अच्छा सेट पर कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि जब शूट कर रहे थे नमिक लेट हो गए वो उनके बाल को टाइम लगा है.
हमेशा.
हमेशा.
What?
Every day.
He knew his
Every
lines,
day.
he knew what to wear, he knew everything. But we used to be, if the hair is perfect, then my lines and everything
That's
will
all
go.
I told you. I was
Yeah,
like,
that's
just
the only
check
thing he
my
told me.
hair
Yeah.
is fine.
तो हम नमिक की बात कर रहे थे.
हाँ.
ते लेट आते हैं मुझसे.
I'm never late. All I
He's
told
never
last-
late, he's early in fact. But he needs to fix his hair, that's all.
Yeah, that's all I need.
He only told me, don't worry about the acting. Hair, इधर उधर हो गया ना तो बोल देना.
अच्छा मतलब टच नहीं कर सकते कभी इस बार.
कभी नहीं.
No touching.
कभी नहीं.
नो टच. ओके.
That will be our next dare.
वही सोचा मैंने.
Truth, that's
आ गया.
Question and
Mal.
answer.
question and answer.
Truth or dare? No, for it.
Truth.
The tent.
Oh, are we actually playing this? Playing truth or dare?
Yeah.
So, Mals. Me thinks so. Who was your favorite co-star from all of us?
Just casually say.
Like that, you know
I'll
what
be very
you
offended if you
asked?
don't name me.
Except Shweta, you can't name Shweta.
No, why?
Well done.
But that's
that
what
is-
you
I knew that
asked.
answer.
एक favorite, एक
Except
annoying.
Shweta.
You
Yeah.
could have
Actually, good
asked
one.
her
Yeah.
anything.
One favorite and one annoying.
Annoying I can't. Annoying I have, but I can't name it.
Why?
Co-actor.
Co-actor. No.
These are out of the 5 left.
Apart from Shweta, who's my favorite?
No, who's the favorite and annoying?
Annoying तो कोई नहीं था. Annoying
थोड़ा
का.
सा कम,
I
थोड़ा
love
सा
the way you
ज़्यादा.
looked at me and said which one.
No, then I can ask you also next.
He just
I think we should play that. Let's ask each one of them.
Okay.
Let's
Let's
each,
play
the,
that.
the,
Done. Same
all of
question
them.
to
Same
everyone.
question to everyone. So think of your answer.
तो favorite क्यों
You
बोलते
say
हो?
it, we
Annoying
won't hold
ही
it
पूछ लो.
against her.
You know the guy who was playing Nico? Like when he was shooting, he's like, "Are you cold? Do you need a hug?" And like he was just saying all these like strange things.
Like
You
off
just do
camera.
character.
Yeah, off camera.
Oh yeah.
Maybe that. But इनमें से तो सारे ही
सारे
अच्छा
No. Then no one else will name it. Just name and no one will feel bad.
Why are you
I
doing
think
this?
Shweta was
wrong with you?
Shweta was the most annoying.
Yeah.
That was gonna be my answer, yeah.
That you were the most annoying.
No, that Mal
Mal was the most.
Okay, so
annoying.
next, your favorite.
Your
and-
favorite and
My
your
favorite
most
is the same person. Favorite and most annoying is Manish.
Okay. Why annoying?
Most casual.
Because every time I'd wake up in the morning and like go somewhere and quickly rush to breakfast, pick up a croissant and Manisha's sitting there, I don't have to go in today. I'm going for a massage.
Okay, moving on. Manish,
Favorite?
इनमें से किसने आपको impress किया?
अरे इंटरेस्ट तो भाई ये
Oh, there.
बहुत impressive है.
Most annoying guys. And now I know which one is the most annoying. I think you have.
Okay, so I think it's safe. Malika.
Malika is the
Favorite and
annoying.
most annoying.
Yeah.
Is
Yeah.
that the spite one?
So
Probably.
yeah, I think for me most annoying, quite honestly, was Malika. Only for the simple reason because I've been obsessed with her Instagram videos.
You made me obsessed too.
I literally मतलब real life में मैं इनकी तरह बात करता हूँ, इनके Instagram videos की
हम
तरह बात
दोनों मेरी तरह बात करने लगे.
हाँ,
कैसे
मतलब-
एक बारी
Every morning we would just say one thing to each other. Every day, like without any context.
This is a casual.
Just get out. हर बात पे मतलब कोई context हो या ना हो, this is a casual.
Everything.
Even today on stage.
आप कोशिश करना क्योंकि हर जगह fit हो जाता है ये.
हाँ,
हर जगह. सब
No,
जगह.
that's
So
what you
मैंने
guys
यहाँ पे what is this?
In my mind, it's fit.
No, so I did a video of this makeup दीदी character that I do and she's like yelling at her makeup दीदी saying कि क्या किया है मतलब मुझे शादी में जाना है ये वो so at one point this is a casual just get out तो फिर ना तब से ही हो गया तो जैसे अगर मैंने ऑरेंज जूस गिराया and everyone's like father this is a casual just get out
Okay,
Alright.
so moving on.
No, favorite? दोनों बोलो.
Favorite was Laksh. My favorite
अरे
was.
यार, everybody take my answers.
क्या यार?
Too good.
बीच में बैठ जाओ.
ये मेरे अगली पिक्चर.
Oh. चलो next. Annoying.
So I was gonna say Mulls, but then Mulls said me, so I'm gonna change that. So most annoying was Mr. over here. Because look at his height and look at my height. So जब भी हम बताता I'm like नहीं इसके बगल में मुझे खड़ा नहीं रहना है. So that's why the most annoying. And favorite was so I think the sweetest was man over here because हम तो हमेशा इतना शूट करते रहते थे जब शूट नहीं होते थे तो शॉपिंग कर रहे होते थे so there were a lot of times he would just wait and so patiently I never saw him
Always
losing
smiling.
weight and always very warm so it was always good to meet him between takes or
My, I think favorite and annoying would be Manish at the same time because
You're winning.
I was
I'm winning this
Manish
game.
Anand show.
I'm winning
Casual
this game.
anymore.
I'm not casual at all.
no because
Because I left you, so I'm annoying. Because I left
no
you.
all
so
of
stranded.
you left me so I was great.
ये French fries कूटे आए
No, because I
Baby
was
का French fries लाओ.
there for what like
oh yeah
fries
I didn't have scenes with like all three of them. I only had scenes with Lisa. So Manish, because when Manish showed up, I finally had like we had a lot of free time because our scenes were pretty intermittent. We weren't in all the scenes, so girls would be shooting a lot and we were chilling a lot. So we chilled and talked. And it's annoying because of what Shweta said. He's really nice. He's nice to the point that he's annoyingly nice. So Laksh, who was your favorite actor and most annoying? Yeah. Tell us that. And be honest, since you were so.
I would have taken Manish's name right now, but now I don't want to take it because he's winning.
award मिलता है
But my favorite would be Shweta. Okay. My most annoying is a great question because each one of them has annoyed me a lot.
सबसे ज़्यादा किसने annoy किया?
But I'll have to say Lisa because she's not here.
One wild thing that you guys did on this trip. The wildest thing.
Should we tell them about the office?
मैं सबसे पहले बोल के ख़त्म कर रही हूँ सो एक बार हम आग बार गए थे जो कि कोसा मुई में है तो वहाँ पे हमने इतनी पार्टी कि बाय दी एंड ऑफ इट लिटरली कपड़े फ़ोन दवाइयाँ आईपॉड ये सारी चीज़ें गायब थी एक पूरा इंसान मिसिंग था
6.5 इंच वाला इंसान.
एंड ये सब पानी में कुछ लोगों को तैरना तक नहीं आता था और सबके सब पानी में थे
Okay.
सो
Is when you realize none of us are adults
Yeah.
yeah
and we're still children.
so that was
तो jellyfish
Wild,
ढूंढने
crazy.
गई
I think the wild thing would also be you all going in a car with Lisa not knowing how to drive.
Oh
Or
God,
Sapna
yeah.
also wanted to try her hand without knowing how to drive.
Driving was
And we're like, okay.
So how
रोड खाली करो.
Shooting is only like just up and down, right? The shots, and when I look down from my left, it's like, oh, if we move a little, we're all dead. Like, oh shit, no.
We
Shweta
still
can
shot
do it.
without them knowing how to drive.
How did that happen?
डरावना था, काफी
I didn't
डरावना.
want to
We
risk
chose a
the
very
lives.
lonely road where there be no one, and we had
Some hot
2-3
job.
cars from Ford. 2 cars. One on standby.
And we still stopped in the middle of traffic. We have to
So shoot must go on.
अच्छा ओके एक दूसरे के बारे में ऐसी कोई चीज़ जो आपने शूटिंग के दौरान जानी हो, सम अदर टैलेंट जो
कि मलिका को स्टिकी राइस एंड मैंगो बहुत पसंद
That's
है.
not a talent.
Shweta को आप fried chicken नहीं देते.
एक्टिंग के अलावा वो कुछ और कर
श्वेता को तो सब खाना टाइम पे
She can do
नहीं मिला ना,
cartwheels.
वो मार डालेगी तुमको.
Yeah,
Yeah, she can do
she can do cartwheels.
and she can thread her own legs
एंड अदर लाइक
and other people's legs and
ये
other
दोनों ही चीज़ मैं नहीं करवा पाऊंगी ओके
Miles does a great impression of few actresses.
जैसे
Queen में है वो actor.
Lisa, you can do Lisa.
No.
She already did me.
और करना
Lisa.
और maybe Vikas.
Lisa सच क्यों नहीं ready हुआ है? Okay, कब से वेट कर रही हो यहाँ पे?
he doesn't know कि you
I've
can do
never
Lisa.
Yeah, you do it.
Lisa.
Oh, my
Lisa's
voice
very
was
good.
foul, so I could do Lisa's, but it was like really heavy. No, it's so fine.
Yeah.
Loveleen, can you fix my makeup? Oh, you're disgusting, Mom. I can't do it now. I lost that voice.
No, but it was-
It was quite spot on.
No, I won't.
अच्छा करना ही होगा
I did it already. I'm not going to Burma.
Not going to.
बाथरूम जा रही हूँ. तू करेगा मेरे साथ?
क्या करेगा?
Susu.
She has a line in the Rangoon film.
ओके गाइस सो लास्टली फैंस को कहना चाहेंगे अबाउट द ट्रिप अबाउट
हमारा हेयर स्टाइल भी सेम है सर.
ये वॉचिंग गाइस बहुत ही प्यार से बहुत ही एक्साइटेड होकर हमने बनाया है एंड या एंड देयर इज लॉट्स कमिंग इन द 8th 9th and 10th एपिसोड.
ओके मैंने सुना कोई सरप्राइज
हाँ सरप्राइज है
बहुत बड़ा
नहीं बोल
surprise है.
Yeah, that's by far the most
इतना बड़ा
annoying actor. I
surprise
can
नहीं.
tell you that.
He's too good. He's my
Yeah,
favorite
yeah.
actor.
सबसे annoying.
क्रिएट करो सस्पेंस
एंड गुड लुकिंग. ओ गॉड मतलब गर्ल्स भूल जाएंगी इन दोनों को.
नहीं नहीं and
Natural.
best frame shot.
हाँ, और बेस्ट शॉट भी उसके
हाँ best frame shot like ट्रॉली ला के 2-3 घंटे
most
लगा के
important
पूरा
is
ऐसे,
the most
हाँ, yeah.
attention, the most importance is
नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में दिखेगा
Yeah.
योर हस्बैंड योर टू बी
Beyonce of Beyonce.
ऑल योर फैंस जो काफी एक्साइटेड थे दे वर लाइक हां इज कमिंग बैक
No, that's the thing that they were really. I mean, yeah, they were really excited to see me back after so soon. But I think what's happened is since then there have been a lot of tweets where they said, "Yes, we were excited to see Name, but you know, in the beginning episodes, I'm not there." But they said it's a really good show and they really enjoyed, or they identified with each one of the girls, and that's been what's been great about it is that all of them have appealed to a certain group of women, like they've identified with them, and as a group, like they've all of them want to go on the trip after seeing them. So it's I am there in like I think 4 episodes, so it's hasn't really been on me, but it's done so amazingly well. So all credit to them, all credit to the director, and I'm really glad to be a part of it. And thank you so much for watching and keep watching. I think the last 2 episodes are pretty explosive.
वेटिंग
Good things coming up.
ओके थैंक यू सो
Thank you
मच
guys.
French fries today.
आ गया. चलो.